So we have a no starter condition at the moment. All the interior lights are off. If we switch it to the ignition, nothing turns on. You can see that that parking light flashes on and off. So we plug it in. We could now, if we wanted to, cable tie that up there just to get home. You can now see the interior lights are on. We've got full beam. I'll turn those lights off. We've got full interior power. We've got the radio stations, which I'll turn off. But the coup de grace is whether it will actually start the engine. And that's the jump pack starting the engine off a completely dead and a completely flat battery. So that's the Cooper range of products that are sold on luxurylandroverupgrades.com and can be purchased in the event of a flat battery, or if you don't have a secondary battery installed, you can go to luxurylandroverupgrades.com, purchase the battery cable, Cooper battery cable, and purchase the Cooper jump pack. And also, if you want, you can purchase the Cooper charger, and guarantee you'll never find yourself in this position again, and you won't need the RAC or AA to come out to you. At this point, you could actually cable tie the jump pack to the front of the bumper. That would be enough for you to get home. Your main battery is still charging by the alternator. The power bank isn't being charged, so it will only deplete its energy at the time, but your main battery will be charged by the alternator, and hopefully it won't become a problem again. But anyway, this was just a demonstration to show that even in the event of a completely flat battery, that the jump pack itself works. So head on to www.luxurylandroverupgrades.com and hopefully you'll purchase one of these in the case of an emergency. The benefit of the jump pack also includes a flashlight, and also a strobe light, a battery indicator showing you how much charge it has left, as well as 2 jump leads which correspond to the Cooper product range, which are just plug-in high amperage power leads. So yeah, go to luxurylandroverupgrades.com and save yourself the hassle and the money of having somebody be called out to come and rescue your car in the middle of nowhere. Okay.